this video, I will guide you on how to fix Gemini AI app not working properly. The first thing you want to do is update the app. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search Gemini. Now if you find an update button, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. This should fix any bugs within the app. Next thing you want to do is force stop the app. For that, tap and hold on the Gemini app, then tap on this app info icon. Now you want to tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Now go ahead and open Gemini and check if that fixes your issue. If it does not, return back to settings. Now tap on storage. Here tap on clear cache. Once that is done, open Gemini and check. If your problem is still not fixed, then what you want to do is do the same thing for the Google application. So for that, go ahead and find Google from here, tap and hold on it, tap on the app info icon. Here you want to tap on storage, then tap on clear cache, then head back and tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Now this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.